So I wanted to share with you how to make a unicorn. Instead of paying a lot of money, you can take the scraps that you have at your home, probably have these in your garage, and make any kind of unicorn that you want to. So on the other side, we trace this on the other side of the diaper box, and those feet are going to be flat, so I did that, and I'm not going to worry about the unicorn horn because we have that, and we're going to use, and this was from Dollar Tree, and now we're going to make a tail with some streamers. Oh, good job, Lily. Yes. And now we cut that out of the other side. So we're going to remove that, and I'll show you the next step. I'm going to take the size of those flat feet and measure it, and then we're going to do 3 lines straight across so I can fold those. My assistant holding it. We taped the legs together. Can you open it, Lily, so we can see? Yep. All right, now stand it back up. Now we're going to use this to go all the way around and close him. This is not poster board, but you could use poster board. This is the boards you see between the cans at the supermarket, and they usually are in between like Pepsi cans or whatever, and then the workers put them to the side when it goes to the next layer. So I grabbed those from the grocery store so I have some good materials to use in my art projects, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Liana is helping me. We have 3 lines, and we folded them, and we're going to cut at this 3rd line here. Going to cut it, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Don't cut the middle part of it. We're going to cut the sides. We're going to fringe it with fringe scissors, or you can use regular scissors to do this next thing. I wrapped this with pink tape. It was actually masking tape, and I made these sides shorter a little bit because I was using the fringe scissors. It took forever, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to make it shorter because what I'm doing with it, we didn't have to have it that long. So I'll show you the next process. Stagger the tabs, some on the inside, some on the outside, because it was falling in. So I noticed that if you put the tabs down inside, it supports it. So you can do a couple on the inside, a couple on the outside, a couple on the inside, a couple on the outside to give it some support. So we are taping it all the way, and like Liana said, we're going to keep this open because that's where our candy is going to go. We're going to have a little flap for his tail. Is holding up the material we're going to be using. We're going to be using tissue paper and Mod Podge, and we're going to be using these little sponge applicators. Yep, to show how we make a piñata. It's a unicorn piñata. It is Mod Podged, and I still have that flap. I guess you could make a piñata dog like this too, because it kind of looks like a dog. One thing I forgot were the ears, so I'm going to cut out cardboard ears and stick them up there, and we'll be back. It's going to rain, so we got to go inside in between, so we had to switch. Okay, now you can show them this, what I'm going to do with the glue right here. So, no, don't go in. I don't want her to record us, just what we're doing. So I lightly put the glue on here so it doesn't tear the paper, and go around as much as possible. You can't really get in there too well, but I'll put it on the paper too. And I'm going to put it on this, put this glue on here, and then I'm going to put it on here very carefully, trying not to rip the paper. Yeah. And then, once we're done doing this, we're going to overlap it on this one. So, don't make a new row, and we're going to put it here. I'm going to start there, right up there, and go around. So I'm going to do that to the whole thing, to the whole unicorn. I'm doing little strips so I don't get too overwhelmed and get sticky. The last one I made, I got way too sticky. I was using paper mache on this, and it got really messy, so I'm trying to do it this way so it'll be easier. So anyway, oh, and I also did the tape like this. I'm going to make this, I'm going to put a smiley face, and I cut out ears, but anyway, here we go, and I'll show you what it looks like after we wrap it all up with that the streamer material, and then we'll do the next step.
So you want me to talk?
Just showing them what I'm doing here. Put it right in here. Go all the way around. Okay. Next.
Hello, it's Freddy. It's Freddy today.
Jojo.
Oh, you weren't doing it.
Okay.
Just like you.
She's recording. Are you recording me now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I get our little streamer. And we're going to get it all nice and sticky. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. What is that, Jojo?
Look, it's from Dollar Tree.
Oh, okay. Everything's from Dollar Tree today. Okay. Now, we're starting on the next leg.
It's
So
Candy
we're
Crush.
gonna start wrapping
This is Grandma's
it around. Wrap it,
Should we
wrap
give
it,
her
wrap it.
them your phone number?
No. No, honey.
You should cut this out. Stop talking. It's gonna be a bad YouTube video.
Go. That's the first layer on the new, on the second. Okay,
We should
now you
cut
can
this
stop
out.
it. Use the string to tie it up. I'm going to do this so I can start doing the fringe without getting it all over me, because when I'm handling it too much, I'm getting it on my fingers, and then my fingerprints don't work when I try to get my phone on, which is crazy. Then the flap here, I'm going to put string here to tie for the tail. So, yeah, okay. I'm going to turn it off and keep working. I had a hard time, so we had to go two ways. So what I did was I cut it, I used the French scissors on both sides and then ran the glue in the middle and then put it on. So even for the back, I did that too. So I figured some of that's going to be covered by the mane anyway. And so far, this is what I have. And I'm going to keep going. Not sure what I'm going to do here. Thought I burned myself putting those paper roses on. You could take any kind of flowers and put them around. And I was thinking about putting like a ribbon there, but I don't trust myself with a hot glue gun. So I don't know what I'm going to do here. I'm thinking about doing the paper roses. I got those from Dollar Tree. It was like a bunch of them together. And then do a couple down here and run some more of these. I don't know if I'm going to do streamers, lace, or what. I'll probably do streamers for the tail or lace. I'm not sure yet, but I think I'm done for today. This has been a very painful day for me with the hot glue gun. I'm not so good with that yet. So for the eyes and for the ears, I just got some patterns, looked at a couple different patterns and created my own pattern, printed it. I have a Cricut too. I'm not sure if I used the Cricut for this or not. I think we just freehand it and we cut out the ears and we got the hearts and we had some heart stickers and we did use the ribbons and the rest of the flowers from the Dollar Tree and decorate it as you would like and fill it with candy. Thank you for watching.